Exclusively on InnerHero TV, MyHeroTools.com presents, as a part of the free 2022 workshop series, the Emotional Flush course, which begins Sunday, April 3rd, 2022. The course consists of 3 online classes. You can watch the class overview video by going to MyHeroTools.com/courses. To have a total holistic experience, there's a $9 Emotional Flush ebook you can purchase, which includes complimentary video guide and an online workbook for your convenience. The ebook includes link access to the online workbooks and video guide. The ebook is comprehensive in using all 3 elements. Participants who have Roku can watch the rebroadcast to catch up on missed classes. Exercises are incorporated straight from the MyHeroTools online library, where participants also have free access. The MyHeroTools NFTs is growing its like-minded community. Sign up now for this free class and be a part of the 45 NFT giveaways just for attending all the way through. NFT Winners gives participants an opportunity to own digital real estate in the I Am Collective, which includes self-improving membership utilities and other amenities. So join the free Emotional Flush course today, which begins Sunday, April 3rd. Go to myherotools.com/courses to sign up.